welcome back to my channel. I don't have fragrance in this video today, but I do have a fragrance candle, Yankee candle. This is it, and it is Garden Sweet Pea with pure natural plant extracts. Smells so nice. So here I have MAC. I'll take out and show you what is in here. So it is a lipstick and a lip pencil. I went to the MAC representative. This is not a blind buy, and I tried them before purchasing. The ladies there, they were so helpful. So they had the lipsticks. They spray them to disinfect everything, and then they swipe with a cotton bud, and they gave to me. Then they put on the tissue paper, and then they give to me to try. So it was really helpful actually. And then once I decided on the lipstick shade, they recommended me the which lip pencil will be appropriate. And actually the recommendation was quite good. Let me open and show to you. So this is the lipstick. Okay. So, Love Me lipstick. Who shall live? I don't know if I say it right. Love Me lipstick. So it's 413. Let them eat cake. 413. Let them eat cake. Love Me lipstick. I can't see if you see. So this is how it looks. Oh, I like the color. It's really for summer. Oh, lovely, right? Summery color, purpley. And then the lip liner. Let me show you. Oh, does he have a number? Gosh, I didn't buy cosmetics for so long. Lip pencil. Okay. Magenta. Magenta. This color. It matches, right? I can show you the nail polish as well. Is darker. It's much darker than the lipstick, and then the lip liner as well. Oh, I guess this is so pretty. So this is Sally Hansen Complete Silent Manicure 639 Scarlet Fever. I have done a video when I opened them. It was like a set. This one is so unforgiving. Oh, and I always use a top coat. This is like a fast dry top coat. This is so unforgiving. If I do make a mistake, it's so obvious. Yeah. Because it's so loud, this works nice with a plain outfit, I think. My opinion. Oh, I just colored my nails, so I hope I don't ruin them. Okay, and then I also have some skincare. So because before applying makeup, I need a good skin. So this is Clinique All About Clean Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser, and is Mousse. I haven't tried it yet. Oh yes, it's very foamy. See? Lightweight and foamy. to prep the skin, to clean it. This is how big, it's quite big, 150 ml. I'm not gonna try them now, but I will eventually tell you once I use them, whether in an empty videos or I'm gonna try them in another video. I haven't decided yet. Then I do have a face mask, Elizabeth Arden, and it is a Visible Difference Peel and Reveal Revitalizing Mask. Oh, so this is the peeling one, yeah. I haven't tried it yet. And it comes, really is such a nice presentation. Oh, and it comes with this brush. With a silicone brush. Oh, this is the brush. So hold from here. Because inside looks like this. Because you peel it off, so it's liquid. Oh, doesn't smell nice. Yeah, so it's like very liquid, like jelly, and apply on the face, and then the peel off. Yeah, wow, it's really liquid. Because I was buying those masks one time use masks, and I thought, well, this will get me a much better use. I can use this so many times. So yeah, so this is one, and then and the last purchase is Clinique Pep-Start Hydroblur Moisturizer. So, and it is for all skin types. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, all skin types. So it's supposed to apply like a cream, and then it like blurs the imperfections. I don't know how it will work. I will come back to you, of course. How does it look inside? It opens nicely. I don't know, it doesn't smell like nothing. Oh, it's much thicker. Yeah, it's very thick. Oh, I will try it. Yeah, maybe include it in empty videos when I finish trying it and have like a really proper opinion, or I will try it in, I don't know, in another video, random video. So these are the new additions. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.